Good evening everyone. In previous class I will discuss about the how many marks in coming one chapter wise. Now I have discussed about one chapter, how many main important topics in one chapter. The chapter name is periodic classification of elements and periodic properties. Elements, how to divide into classified some elements. And first of all, periodic table, and what is the which group is present in the periodic table, and how to find out the invariancy. First you will write the hydrogen and next to helium, and after you have to write the lithium and coming with beryllium and boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, and next to sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. And it is the next to argon after potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Actually, in this periodic table, periodic table here, it is divided into 8 groups. It is divided into 8 groups. Also subgroups you have to divide it. A, B. In group C will be divided into in Roman numbers 1 to 8. 1 to 8 subgroups you divide into A and B. That means of 1A, 1B and 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B and 4A, 4B and continue to the 8th A to 8th B. You have to discover the groups. And periods, how many periods in the period table? 7. And divide into periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods. In period table here 7 periods, 8 groups and 18 groups also is there. 8 groups and 18. How to find out the group number and similar physical properties, chemical properties present in one group. It is, suppose example, it is the 1A group, it is the 2nd A group, it is the 3rd A group, it is the 4th A group, it is 5th A group, 6th A group and 7th A group, now 8th A group. And this meaning coming with 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A. This is divided into A groups, you have to divide into main groups. One group, consider 1A, 2A group is called S block elements. 1A and 2A group elements is called S block elements, and S block elements in this near 1A group is called alkali metals. 2A group is called alkali earth metals. It is a strong-head metals. In this period table, left side of the period table in this metals, right side of the period table non-metals, in middle metals, non-metals and metalloids is present. And this down of the bottom of the period table, F block elements also is available. Down how to present in the F block elements. It is the S block elements. It is all S block elements. It is all P block elements. In middle have the D block elements. S block, P block, D block, F block. And in 1A group elements is called alkali metals. 2A group elements is called alkaline earth metals. 3A group elements called boron family. 4th A group elements is called carbon family, and 5th A group element is called nitrogen family, and oxy, and the next 6th A group element is called chalcogens. Sixth A group elements is called chalcogens. Seventh A group elements is called halogens. Seventh A group elements is called halogens. Next, eighth A group elements is called noble gases. Eighth A group elements is called noble gases. Seventh A group elements called halogens. Sixth A group elements called chalcogens. Fifth A group element calls nitrogen family, carbon family, boron family, and is alkaline earth metals, alkali metals. And in this divide into valency also you will find out. What is the definition of valency? The combining capacity of an element is called valency. The combining capacity of an element is called valency. The combining capacity of element is called valency. And actually the combining capacity means how many electrons accommodated one element. That is called combining capacity of an element is called valency. You know that valency how to find out? In 1A group to 4th A group, same group number only valency. 1A group to 4th A group, same valency in group number only. 5th A to 8th A. 5th A to 8th A, you will 5th A to 8th A, you will discard by 8 minus group number formula. Formula you have to apply. What is the formula? 8 minus group number. 8 minus group number means, suppose example 5th A group you will take 8. 8 minus 5th A group means 5. How much valency? 3. That means of 3. And next coming 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 7, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. Now you have to write this is a plus 1 charge. That means of plus 1 valency. This one is a plus 2 valency. This one is a plus 3 valency. This is a plus 4 valency. This is a 3, 2, 6th A group 2, 7th A group 1, 8th A group 0 valency. That means how different valency is there. And also this group also, 1A group also present in plus 1 charge only. And that means of valency. Charge also valency is the equal. Plus 1 is the same valency. Second A valency and physical and chemical properties also same. Second A group all the elements present in plus 2 valency. Third A group also plus 3. Fourth A group also plus 4. Fifth A 3. And 6th A 2. 7th A 1. 8th A 0. And also divide into 4 categories in periodic table. One is the metals. Second one is the non-metals. And third one is the metalloids. Fourth one is the noble gases. In the periodic table mainly divide into 4 categories. One is the metals, second one is non-metals, third one is metalloids, fourth one is noble gases. Okay, which place is present in periodic table metals? In left side of the periodic table, S block element is called purely metals, and P and D block elements present to non-metals and metalloids. And 8th group elements, all the elements present only noble gases. 8th group elements is called noble gases. Another name also is there, inert gases, 0 group elements. It is most important in chapter in the noble gases in the periodic table. It is a stable configuration, stable elements, and it is the periodic table and valency. And now we have to discuss how much valency is present in how to divide into periodic table. And F block elements not discussing. In F block elements is called two categories divided. One is 4F, another one is 5F. 4F block, 5F block. That means of 4F elements is called lanthanides. 5F elements is called actinides. 4F elements is called lanthanides. 5F elements is called actinides. Okay, now it is a F block elements. Discuss about the D block elements. In D block elements, it is the third B. Scandium is the third B, and it is a fourth B. It is a fifth B, sixth B, and is a seventh B, and three elements consider one tribe. Three elements consider one tribe. That means of it is a eighth B, and it is a 1B, and it is a 2B. It is also divided into 1A to 8th B, 1B to 8th B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8th B, 1B, 2B. In this near 8th B near, three elements consider one group. That means of 8th B only. And it is a sum also in these D block elements also some metals, some non-metals, and some is the metalloids also is there. And main important question in this chapter, SPDF block elements. S block, second one P block, third one D block, fourth one F block. Is the most important question in 10th class. Compulsory is coming with in this final exam year. S block, P block, D block, F block. Okay, S block. Suppose example, you will take the modern of periodic table. Small modern of periodic table you will take. In this near it is S block, it is near P block, middle is present D, and outermost cell F block. S, P, D, F. In this near S block element already how to discuss P and D, but different electrons enter into S block, that is called S block elements. Different electrons enter into S block, that is called S block element. And what is the electronic configuration in S block element? S block element electronic configuration NS1 and NS2. In this near only S block in this 1A 2A group only is present, because general electronic configuration NS1 and NS2. It is the most important, and also it is S block elements contain only metals, pure metals. And next to P block. In P block, in this near third A to 7th A is called P block elements. Third A to 7th A group elements is called P block elements. And also different electrons enter into P block, that is called P element, that is the P block elements. And also P block general electronic configuration NS2 NP6, that means of NS2 NP1 NP2 NP3 NP4 NP5 NP6. That here you have to find out this type NS2 NP1 to NS2 NP6. These are general electronic configuration. And D block elements. D block elements in the S and P block middle is present is called D block elements. S and P middle is called D block elements. And also in this near third B to 1B, only B, 1B to 8th B or third B to 1B present is D block elements. D block elements is present in this periodic table, middle of the periodic table. General electronic configuration NS2 N minus D 1 to 10. This is the general electronic configuration of the D block elements. NS2, N minus 1, D 1 to 10. These are D block elements, and it is a metalloids. Metals is there, metals is there, non-metals is there, metalloids also is present. Next, F block elements. F block elements contain mainly F block element contain two groups. One is the 4F, 5F. 4F is called lanthanides. 4F is called lanthanides. 5F is called actinides. Actinides. 4F elements is called lanthanides. 5F elements actinides. And general electronic configuration: N minus D 0 to 1, N minus 1 0 to 1, N minus 2. F 1 to 14, N minus 1, that means of NS2, N minus 1, D 0 to 1, N minus 2, F1 to 14. This is the general electronic configuration of F block elements.